my name is BUBA. Welcome to our surprise box adventure. Yay!
Wow!
Today we're going to open these magical boxes and discover what's inside. Yay! But guess what? We also learn about emotions. Yay! How we feel when we see something exciting or unexpected, and it was so much fun. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's open the first box together. Let's go. Wow. Look, it is a teddy bear. It's so cute and cuddly. I feel so happy. Can you smile like this, teddy bear? Big smiles, everyone. Hello, Daddy. This feeling is called joy, right? Let's say together, joy.
Wow!
We feel joy when something makes us really happy, like this, Daddy. Hey, let's sing song about joy.
Big smiles, joy in the air, a happy feeling everywhere. When we see something fun and new, joyful hearts come shining through. Smiles so big, hearts so bright, let's spread joy day and night. Big smiles, joyful hearts, let's share love and do our part. Big hugs, laughter so sweet, dancing round to a happy beat. When we share, we feel so good, happy hearts in every neighborhood. Smiles so big, hearts so bright, let's spread joy day and night. Big smiles, joyful hearts, let's share love and do our part.
What's inside this shiny box? Let's open it slowly. Open.
Wow!
What a surprise! When something unexpected happens, we feel surprise. Can you say it with me? Surprise! Surprise! Right! Let's open our hands like this. Surprise! Great!
What's inside? What's inside? Open it up, let's take a look inside. Pop surprise, what a treat. Surprises make our day so sweet. Shake, shake, what could it be? Let's unwrap it carefully. Pop surprise, look and see what's inside for you and me. Close your eyes, count to 3. A special surprise, just wait and see. Tap, tap, give it a knock. What's hiding inside the magic box?
What's inside this box? Let's take a peek. Wow, it is a telescope. I feel curious. I want to know more about this toy. Can you say it with me? Curious. I'm so curious. When we're curious, we feel excited to learn or explore something new. Wow! Let's pretend to look through a telescope. Wow! What can you see?
I'm curious, curious, let's explore what's behind this magical door. Looking around, what can I see? Curiosity feels fun to me. Step by step, let's take a look. Like a page from an exciting book. Big or small, near or far, discover the wonders of where you are. Peek and peek, what's over there? A world of treasures everywhere. Open your mind, let's find some more. I'm curious, let's explore.
Look at this shiny box. I wonder what's inside. Wow! It is spinning top. It's so colorful and fun. I feel so excited. Wow! I wanna play with it. Excitement is when we feel super happy and ready to play right now. Okay? Can you show me your excited face? Yes, I'm so excited. Let's spin like this spinning top.
I'm so excited, let's dance and play. Spinning, jumping, hooray, hooray. Colors and fun, smiles so wide. Excitement is a feeling we hold inside. Clap, clap, stomp your feet. Feel the rhythm move to the beat. Twirl around, reach for the sky. I'm so excited, let's all try. Hands up high, now touch your toes. Wiggle your fingers, strike a pose. Laugh and sing, let's shout hooray. I'm so excited every day.
Wow! This box looks so soft and cozy. Let's open it. Wow, it's a blanket. I feel calm and peaceful, like I'm ready to rest. Can you say with me, calm? I'm ready to rest because I'm calming. When we feel calm, we feel quiet and relaxed. Let's take a deep breath together. In and out. Wow, so calm. You feel?
Calm and cozy, soft and slow. Peaceful feelings start to grow. Snuggle up, breathe in and out. Calm is what it's all about. Hush, hush, close your eyes. Dreamy clouds in the sky. Soft and quiet, safe and sound. Calm and cozy all around. Feel the warmth, a gentle hug. Like a blanket, soft and snug. Listen close, the world's at peace. A calming moment, sweet release. Hush, hush, close your eyes. Dreamy clouds in the sky. Soft and quiet, safe and sound. Calm and cozy all around.
Oh, wow, we learned so many emotions today. Let's see if you remember which box made us feel happy. Yes, this yellow box with a teddy. It brought us joy. Joy, joy, joy. Oh. Which box made us go, wow? Wow! That's right! The shiny silver box with the Jack in the Box. It was, wow, surprise! Wow, surprise! Yay! What about curious one? Excitement and calm. Curious was red one, right? What about excitement? Excitement! Do you remember? Yes, this blue one. Great job! And last one was calm. Yes, this one. Great, great job.
Emotions, emotions, what do we feel? Happy, surprised, and curious too. Excited and calm, they're all so real. Emotions make us feel like new. Smile so big when you're feeling glad. Sometimes we're quiet, sometimes we're mad. Every emotion has its place. Let's explore them with a happy face. Wiggle with joy or take a deep breath. Feelings change and there's no wrong step. Sad or silly, it's all okay. Let's share our feelings every day. Smile so big when you're feeling glad. Sometimes we're quiet, sometimes we're mad. Every emotion has its place. Let's explore them with a happy face.
You did such an amazing job today, friends. Thank you for joining me on this emotional adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!